and we both did paragliding. And when I was doing that, I was feeling over the moon completely. And
Hi Lalit, how are you?
I'm fit as a fiddle. Thank you for asking. How are you doing, brother?
I'm also doing very well in my life.
Okay, thank you.
So, where are you from?
I come all the way from Uttar Pradesh.
Hmm? Okay,
Yes.
so
What
in
about
Uttar
you?
Pradesh, where do you live in
I
Uttar
live.
Pradesh?
I live in Bulandshahr.
Okay, so even I am from Bihar, live in Patna city.
Okay. I think Patna is also, yeah, Patna is in Bihar, right? Yeah.
Yes, right. So, what is your occupation? What do you do?
Okay. So as we are meeting for the first time, so I think
Hmm?
I should introduce myself first, then like
Okay.
before diving into the session. So my name is Lalit Kumar, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. As I told you that I come all the way from Bulandshahr city. So,
Hmm?
and if I talk about my qualifications, so I did graduation. I did pharmacy in my graduation, and like it's been 7 years. I have been working in private organizations. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like to talk with the people. I like to listen to music. I like to do adventurous activities. And sometimes I read books. Sometimes I watch Hollywood movies. So that is all about me. Thank you. Now, yeah.
So,
Now I
welcome.
would like, yeah. Now I would like to know something about you in nutshell.
Yes. So, as you know very well, my name is also Naveen Kumar. I am from Patna, Bihar, and if you come to my education background, so I have completed my graduation in BTech as a mechanical engineering from JN2 University
Great.
in Hyderabad. And nowadays, I'm preparing for my GATE exam along with also my state PCS exam because I am also interested in higher education and for my state competitive exam. And
Okay.
apart from that, if we come to my hobbies, so I also like to explore our ancient monuments of India, temples, historical place,
Okay.
natural sites, and means I also like blogging and adventure like you, as you also mentioned.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
So
Great.
these
Great
are-
to hear. Sounds
Yes.
great. Okay. So let's dive into the session. What are we going to discuss today? Do you have any particular topic to discuss on?
Uh, Regarding adventures, my like, did you start your adventure
Yes.
anywhere?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. We should talk about adventurous activities,
Definitely.
like because we both are fond of adventurous activities, so we should talk about that.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna break the ice on this thing first.
Hmm.
The first and foremost thing. So when I used to afraid of height a
Hmm.
lot. So so I used to afraid of height. So that is why like I didn't do any adventurous activities, because most of the activities you'll have to do only from the height or from the in the water mostly.
Hmm. Yes.
So I when once I got the chance to do paragliding. So
Hmm.
so that that time there was a video that was very famous,
Hmm.
and that video got viral that time. So
Hmm.
that was related to paragliding only. So he was
Hmm.
saying in that video, the person was saying that please you can take 100 more or 200 more, but I need to be land now.
Hmm.
So that video I like remembered that time when I was doing paragliding. So I was
Hmm.
fear of, yeah, I had fear of height. So it means that I had hydrophobia, but still I decided to do paragliding, and I went to the hills, went up to the hills, and then I started preparing for the paragliding. And a person trained me that this is the thing. Then you have to be very very careful like that and this and all. Then he taught me everything, and after that he also was with me. The trainer was also with me, and we both did paragliding. And when I was doing that, I was feeling over the moon completely, and even I was singing song that time.
Hmm.
Yeah. But yeah, finally, I did that, and when I did that,
Hmm.
so when I landed, so I was thinking that it was not very uh, phobia kind of thing. It's a great
Hmm.
thing to do. So till like since then, I started loving to adventurous activities, and whenever I get chance, I always do. What about you? Like, do you have any memory like that? or related to like that?
Talk about the para riding. So yeah, I did not have done any para riding in my life, but I'm also planning for that because my upcoming plan is that I just before after 2 days, I am planning to go in Kashmir to explore all over the Kashmir, such as the Vaishno Devi Temple, Sonmarg, Gulbarga is there, Srinagar, and definitely I will do there. So even I am also planning to go
And
Leh Ladakh and Kargil and
and I'm
Amarnath.
okay. And I'm pretty much sure that you are a studious kind of person.
Yes, yes, definitely. Because I'm
Yes, because
also
you
going
told.
to make the blogging regarding the historical place. And also I travel so many places in India, even in UP also. I was in
Okay,
Sarnath, Ayodhya, Mathura, Vrindavan, Agra, and Jhansi,
okay,
Jhansi Fort, and
okay,
many more cities in South India. I also have a very good experience in Kerala and Tamil Nadu state, and along
okay,
with
okay,
Goa.
okay.
Yes.
I literally want to go now up in my upcoming trips. I literally want to go to in Kerala city, in Kerala state, so that I also can explore a lot of places in Kerala because in Kerala a lot of touristic places.
Mm-hmm. So, do you
Yes.
have any experience in South Indian state?
No, no, not so far.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes.
So apart from the like in north side, how many states did you explore in north side?
So let me tell you the thing. How many? Like I didn't count so far how many places I have explored, but
Mm-hmm.
lots of spiritual places I have visited. Like as
Mm-hmm.
you told that Vrindavan, Mathura, right? Rajasthan, Rajasthan, and Albar, Salasar Balaji, Mandipur Balaji, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Manali, Sishu, Goa, like
Mm-hmm.
most of the places in India only.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Okay.
many more, and many
Mm-hmm.
more. I explored a lot of part of Himachal Pradesh as well.
Okay. So in Himachal
Yes.
Pradesh, which places do you like more in Himachal and Uttarakhand? And did you also visit
Yeah.
Uttarakhand?
Yes, yes, yes. I have visited a lot of places in Uttarakhand as well. So
Mm-hmm.
if I talk about Uttarakhand, so I worked in Haridwar for a couple of years, for 1 year.
Okay.
So I explored that Haridwar lot of
Mm-hmm.
explored that time. But if I talk about like to stay in Uttarakhand, so I mostly prefer to stay in Rishikesh
Mm-hmm.
because a lot of touristic places are there, lots of temples are there, so we can explore them, right?
Mm-hmm.
And apart from that, if Himachal Pradesh, if I talk about, so I have visited Manali. So Manali is a good destination to visit,
Okay.
and yes, and Sisu is also a good destination, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if someone
Correct.
wants to explore more than this, so I will like plan
Okay.
for the in future to visit
Mm-hmm.
Leh Ladakh as well.
Okay.
Yeah, because in last summer I wanted to go to Ladakh, but yeah,
Okay.
unfortunately I didn't
Mm-hmm.
get the chance to visit that place.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What about
Okay.
you, brother? Tell me
And
about your experience in something about this.
Darwaza. Yes. Hmm.
Yes. Yes. Would you mind telling me about your experiences
If you want to suggest
about this
me,
adventurous activity?
yeah. If you want to suggest me, if I will say to suggest me some places to visit in Himachal and Uttarakhand, so which places do you like to suggest me for a venture
So
purpose?
have you ever okay, okay, have you ever visited Haridwar and Uttarakhand?
No, I never visit Haridwar and Uttarakhand anytime.
So for spirituality, I would say for spirituality, you should visit Rishikesh. You know,
Hmm.
Rishikesh is just famous for spirituality a lot
Mm-hmm.
because by the name you'll come to know that what is the meaning of Rishikesh.
Yes, yes,
Rishi
definitely.
means yeah. Rishi means those who those who indulge himself or herself only in the spirituality.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those who incorporate himself only in spirituality. So I think this is the right meaning. I can be wrong, but
Mm-hmm.
according to me, according to my opinion, this is the right meaning of Rishikesh.
Mm-hmm.
And many
Definitely.
places many places are there in Rishikesh for spirituality as well. Even
Mm-hmm.
many temples are there. Nilkant is there.
Mm-hmm.
Nilkant temple is very famous.
And even I have listened about that Rishik is also popular for international yoga center. Many more foreigners are also
Yes,
coming there
yes,
to learn
yes,
yoga.
yes, yes,
And
yes,
it
yes.
also.
Absolutely,
Mm.
absolutely, absolutely.
Mm. So, did you ever discuss with any foreigners in your life in English?
Yeah, I literally wanted to discuss. I literally wanted to have conversation with any foreigners, but so
Mm.
far, when I visited to Rishikesh, so that time I was not able to communicate in English. But yeah,
Mm.
whenever like I will meet any foreigner, so I'll try to have conversation because they are exploring our country, so we cannot stop them and we cannot tell them that I want to have conversation with you and you should have conversation with me first and then I will let you go. So we cannot say like that. We should welcome them that
Mm.
we are welcoming you and you should explore our country in a good
Mm.
manner. So
Mm.
yeah, they are also have uh, interest to have conversation with Indians as well. But yeah, I
Mm.
never tried. But in future, if I'll get the chance, so I will definitely go for it. What do you
Mm.
think? Have you ever had conversation with any foreigners?
Yes, definitely. I also discuss with so many foreigners in my life because mostly times I also spend my life also in Hyderabad and Mumbai. So I met with so many foreigners and also face to face I discuss with them. And
Okay.
apart from that, I also discuss with some foreigners from like when I was in Mathura also. So I also met with some
Okay.
foreigners like very well many more foreigners also follower of the ISKCON temple in Mathura, right?
Yes, yes,
You
yes,
are
yes, yes,
so I
yes.
also met with so many foreigners at the international site place.
Okay,
Mm.
okay, okay.
So,
Great, great
what
to
is
hear.
the famous in Bulandshahr? Tell me some, suggest me some places in Bulandshahr which is famous.
Okay, so I would say that it is like this city is very famous for freedom fighter. Lot of
Mm.
freedom fighters have been joining army and many forces from here for long time from Bhart's time as well. I would say
Mm.
so. It is very famous for freedom fighter when the World War happened. So
Mm.
there is a village in my city. In my city, there is a village.
Mm.
In that village, like in every home, there is a Fauji. There is a army man. I would say.
Mm.
So now you can understand. Now you can assume that how much that would be famous. Even like
Mm.
if there is a army person in each and
Mm.
every home, you can understand.
Mm.
Even 2 or 3% from one home. So this is very famous for freedom fighter. First and foremost
Mm.
thing is that, and second thing is that there are some fort. There
Mm.
are some fort that this is also very famous for the forts. And
Mm.
there is one more place that is not in Bulandshahr city. Particularly I would say, but yeah, it
Mm.
is near about Bulandshahr. That is Gadganga. The name of
Mm.
that place is Gadganga.
Ganga, yes.
So yes, yes, it is very famous for Galganga as well. Many from many places, people are coming here just to
Mm.
offer their prayer, just to offer their spirituality here in Ganga.
Okay.
So
Mm.
and it is like 10 20 kilometers far from my area where I live.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
yeah,
last,
it is like there are
so last time when did you visit there? That spirituality place nearby Ganga.
yeah, just couple of days ago I would say.
Okay. So do you also like to take bath and dip in holy river of Ganga and any river in India?
Obviously.
Mm.
Yeah, even
Yeah.
I love to take bath in Ganga.
Mm.
Whenever I
Mm.
get the chance, whenever I feel like that I should go to Ganga and I make my plan and I go there. So what about
Mm.
you, brother? What is famous in Patna?
Yes, so even in Patna, also very well. First one is the Ganga, is also flowing from Patna, right? So banks of the Ganga is also so popular, such as the Gaya Ghat and Naiti Ghat, and many more places, including the first popular thing is the Takhat Sri Harmandir Patna Sahib Gurdwara. It is the most popular, which is the
Okay,
birthplace
okay,
of Guru Gobind Singh Dev Ji Maharaj as a
okay,
10th Guru.
okay.
So that is so
And
popular.
I'm pretty much sure that there are thousands of coaching centers in Patna.
Definitely, even Physics Walla and many more coaching institution is also there, which is so
Yes.
popular,
I
including the
know
Khan.
Patna just yeah, I
Yes.
know Patna just because of coaching centers, including the Khan sir. Khan sir is the sensation of your city, of Patna city, I think.
Definitely.
And he has
Yes.
40 or 15 million. followers on YouTube. Even
Yes,
more than
yes.
this.
Yes, yes. And apart from that, there is a Bihar Museum and Golghar, which is a British monument built by the Britishers in round shape. That is also a symbol of Patna. So that is also very
Okay,
good.
okay,
And
okay.
apart
I
from
think
that, mm,
so. I think we should wrap up this call now because
yes,
it's been 15 months. It's been 15 minutes while
mm,
we were having this call.
yes,
So
yes.
we are having this call. So we should wrap up this call. And
Mm.
okay, we'll connect later. Thank you. Have a great time.
Welcome, welcome.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.